Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Chervik. Today I am telling about Make in India. Today's agenda is concept of Make in India, objectives of Make in India, advantages and disadvantages of Make in India, necessity of Make in India, slogans on Make in India, concept of Make in India. Make in India, a type of Swadeshi movement covering 25 sectors of the India economy was launched by the government of India on 25th September 2014 to encourage companies to manufacturing their products in India and enthuse with dedicate investments into manufacturing. It was introduced by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. We are next moving on to objectives of Make in India to increase the manufacturing sector's growth rate to 12 to 14% per year in order to increase the sector's share in the economy, to create 100 million additional manufacturing jobs in economy by 2025, to ensure that the manufacturing sector's contribution to GDP is increased to 25% by the year to 2025. We are next moving on to advantages and disadvantages of Make in India. Advantages: boost India's economic growth, more jobs opportunities, attract more foreign direct investment, FDI investment in India. Yeah, next moving on to disadvantages: bad relations with China, pollution, interest in global brands, manufacturing based economy. We are next moving on to necessity of Make in India. The Make in India program is very important for the economic growth of India as it aims at using the current India talent base, creating additional employment opportunities and empowering secondary and tertiary sector. We are next moving on to slogans on Make in India. I tell the word Make in India, sell anywhere but manufacturing here. We have the skill and talent for it. We have covered concept of Make in India, objectives of Make in India, advantages and disadvantages of Make in India, necessity of Make in India, slogans on Make in India. Thank you.